Last year at this time, we were all reeling as the COVID-19 pandemic swept the globe. Since then, we have learned that the pandemic is a marathon and not a sprint. And yet we made it through another unpredictable year. We still don't know when the pandemic will be truly over, but we continue to adapt and persevere and succeed together. That effort has taken all of our strengths and abilities, including some we didn't even know we had. We devised creative teaching methods and reimagined commencement. We found new ways to reach out and kept masking up. We did it again. That's why it is so important to take this time over the holidays to be with family and friends. Take a real break to rest and fully recharge. We may not know exactly what 2022 will bring, but we'll remain committed to our mission and to our people, the students, faculty and staff, alumni and parents who make this community so special. We can do this. We are doing this together. Wendy and I wish you and your family a happy and healthy holiday season. Please be well.